with you how to annotate using the whiteboard feature and how to annotate your Google Slide or PowerPoint or other presentation. So the first is the whiteboard. In your Zoom room, you're going to navigate down to the Share Screen button. Go ahead and click that button and you'll see the whiteboard feature right here. Click on the whiteboard feature and click Share Screen. Students now will be viewing the whiteboard. Once you open up your whiteboard, there are a bunch of different tools here. There's a select tool, texting tool, drawing tool. Your students can use the annotation features as well. They'll have to go to the top of their screen, click on View Options, and Annotate in order to find their whiteboard toolbox. When you're using the whiteboard tool and your work is really great, you want to make sure that you save it, and that will be saved for you to share out with students. I'm also going to share with you how to annotate on your Google Slides or your PowerPoint. So I'm going to go ahead and navigate over here to my Google Slides. And it's going to be very similar to the whiteboard. If I would like to write on this slide, go right up here to the annotate, and I can go ahead and annotate right here on this slide.